So hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question, and today's question is from today's contest: lexicographically smallest string after operations with constraints. So yeah guys, without a further delay, let us see what this question says. So in this question, we will be given a string, s and an integer k, and then we need to return another string by performing some operations uh, with the help of this s and this k. So let us understand with the help of an example what we exactly need to do. So if I see, if I take this as my example string and this k is given to me, then what I can say, what I need to do is that I need to make a lexicographically smallest string. That means dictionary wise, I need to think of that dictionary wise smallest string, such that I have these many steps, these many, you can say, steps I can perform. And in each step, either I can increment or I can decrement a character. Okay, so this is cyclic in order. So what I mean by this is, let us see. Let us say that we have a mapping where 0 is mapped to A, 1 is mapped to B, and 25 is mapped to Z. And further, this is in cyclic order. Okay, so after 25, we can come back to 0. Now I need to form a lexicographically smallest string out of this, and total number of operations I can perform is k. So what I will do is, I can try greedily. I can, because I know that I want the smallest characters initially. Smallest characters initially, so that in dictionary wise they will come first. Means I want that if possible this z to be converted to a rather than this z. Okay. So I will try. So if this is z and I have k is equals to 3, so I can go up till z plus 3 to z minus 3. This much range I can have characters. Now z is mapped to 25. Z is mapped to 25. So I can go up till A, B, C, or previously I can also go. So what will be the smallest lexicographical representation of z? That will be A. And from going to z to A, I used one step. So k will be decremented. So k will be decremented. Then I will move forward. So I have B now. So B, and now k is 2. So B, best option is convert B to A. Now k is 1. Similarly, this is also converted, but this z would not be able to, we will not be able to convert. Now if k is equals to 0, then clearly we have to return the same string. So this is kind of algorithm we will follow. We will start greedily and see the smallest number which we can assign to it. Okay, so let us understand now from the code. Just a second. So we have created two mappings for our understanding. One where character will map to its index, like A is mapped to 0, and so on. And one where index is mapped to character. Yes. So I have created two mappings. Now if k is equals to 0, then we don't have any steps. So we have to return this original string only. Now we will start traversing the string. We will take out the character and we will find out what is the mapping of that character. For example, if the character is Z, then this mapped will contain 25. Okay. Now let us see this part. This is the crucial part. Just a second. Yes. This is the crucial part where we are decrementing k. Now, if mapped minus k is less than equals to 0, or mapped plus k is greater than 25, that means I can, let us say I am at character 18. my mapped is 18. And I have k equals to, let us say 20. So I can go backwards. So now my goal is to have minimum possible character, which is a. So I can either go backwards also, I can either go forward also. So if by any chance my k, either by subtracting or by adding, exceeds my 0 to 25 range, I am sure that my answer will be A. Means I can have the smallest value possible, which is A. So I will definitely answer dot pushback A. But now I need to decrement K as well. I need to decrement the step, so that I will decide, on the basis of what is less. So if the map, that means if going backward is lesser than going forward, then I will prefer going backward. Else, if going forward is lesser than going backward, then I will prefer going forward. And hence I will decrement K like this. If that is not the case, if it is a normal case, let us say I am on 18 and my K is equals to 4. So neither I can have A from this side or I can have A from that side. So I will simply want to have the least possible value, which is 18 minus 4, which is 18 minus 4. Yes. And this time mapped is less than K. This time mapped is less than K. So clearly my K will become 0. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Rest of the characters I can map this way. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much, guys. Just in case you like the video, like the question, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.